Hello students, welcome to City Learning Hub. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of NCERT Geography book of class 9. As the title of the chapter itself suggests, we are going to study about the size of India and its location. First of all, let us discuss about the location of India. Location of India in the world map. This is the world map and India is located here. So here is India in the world map. But before we locate India accurately in the world map, let us discuss some of the key concepts which are necessary to locate a place in the world map. In this world map, this is the eastern part of the world and so it is called Eastern Hemisphere. Again, this is the western part of the world and so it is called Western Hemisphere. So in the screen, the western and the eastern hemisphere are displayed. And this imaginary line that separates the eastern hemisphere from the western hemisphere is called the prime meridian. So this imaginary line is called the prime meridian. Again, this is the northern part of the world and so it is called northern hemisphere. Similarly, this is the southern part of the world and it is called southern hemisphere. And the line that separates the northern hemisphere from the southern hemisphere is called the equator. So this is the horizontal imaginary line which divides the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere into two equal halves, and this is the equator. In addition to the equator, there are many horizontal imaginary lines parallel to each other. These horizontal imaginary lines are called latitudes. The equator is also a latitude. Again, as discussed earlier, this vertical imaginary line from the north to the south is called the prime meridian. There are several imaginary lines from the north to the south and these are called longitudes. The equator falls on 0° latitude. The latitude of 23.5° north is called the Tropic of Cancer and the latitude of 23.5° south is called the Tropic of Capricorn. Now, 30° north lies above 23.5° north and 60° north lies above 30° north latitudes. And 90° north lies in the northernmost position of the earth, which is called the North Pole. Similarly, 30° south lies south of 23.5° south, 50° south lies south of 30° south, 70° lies south of 50° south, and in the southernmost position lies the 90° south, which is called the South Pole. Again, here the longitudes are shown along with the North Pole and the South Pole. 30° east longitude lies east of the prime meridian and 50° east lies east of the 30° east longitude. Similarly, 40° west longitude lies west of the prime meridian and 80° west longitude lies in the western side of the 40° west longitude. So after plotting the latitudes and longitudes, we can locate India. So India lies between 8° 4' north and 37° 6' north latitude and 68° 7' east and 97° 25' east longitude. In this way, we have located India with the help of latitudes and longitudes.